12 days of Christmas. So today we are going to make a gingerbread white hot chocolate. So let's get into it. So I'm just gonna, I like mine like very flavorful. So I put 3 scoops of white hot chocolate powder in my cup. And then I'll bring the cup over here 1 second to add the water in. We already have the water hot and steaming. And there we go. Let's go ahead and give that a stir, because at the moment it's sitting all at the bottom. Give that a really good stir. And I just realized I don't have any freaking whipped cream, so we're gonna improvise and do without it. So it looks like we're all mixed, nothing is on the spoon. So we're done with that portion of the hot chocolate. So we're gonna add in two things. We'll add in some vanilla extract, just a couple of squirts. And then, star of our show is our thin gingerbread coffee syrup. So we're gonna add that in. Okay. And then we will give it another stir. And then we're coming with the fun topping situations. We have some mini marshmallows, so we'll add those on top. Drop some. And I'm going to pick you guys up so you can kind of see what's going on in here. So I added a lot. Main reason is because I don't have any freaking whipped cream. So I added a lot of the marshmallow. So you can see them at the top, but here is a better view. And then we're going to go in with some white chocolate chips, just right on the top there. Looking good, looking good. And then we have one more addition. Let me put you guys down so I can do that. So I have some gingerbread cookies, so I just crumbled that up and I'm going to add that to the top of this. Not all of it, but just some real gingerbread pieces. They're flying everywhere. And then, last but not least, we will add just a tad bit of caramel to the top of that. So that is our gingerbread white chocolate. Here is the finished product. Again, we use white hot chocolate, some vanilla extract, gingerbread syrup, marshmallows, gingerbread on top, and some white chocolate chips. That looks so freaking good. So if you make this and you like it, let me know. Thank you guys for watching this installment of 12 Days of Christmas, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.